Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our channel. And today I will be doing the unboxing of Walmart's first aid kit, which is what I am sharing the screen for. Uh, they have a few different quantities available. Uh, one is 85, one is 140, the other one is 250. Obviously, my recommendation is if you can just buy the 85 piece one, like the smaller version, unless you have a bigger household, then you choose the 140. There's a lot of items I'll be showing you in the unboxing. Mm, it's gonna last us a pretty long way. So, like I said, unless you have a big household, you probably then need 140. Then if you have a super big household, the 250 is also an option. Just for everybody to keep in mind, the more quantity there is, the price per item is cheaper. However, if you don't have a big enough household, there's so many items there, you won't be needing them. They'll just be sitting there. So let's start the unboxing. Here, as you can see, there's two red buttons. You just push them sideways and then open it up. This is a cooler. Serves It serves as an ice pack when you sprain an ankle or a wrist, and afterwards you have to go to the either the emergency or seek medical care to have bandages to wrap up the sprained parts. They only work for a certain amount of time, probably 30 minutes or so. You would need a new one or an ice pack. And then these are antiseptics, uh, antiseptic fluids. Ooh, I don't know why it's getting blurry. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. These are antiseptic fluids. And here are some antiseptic wipes underneath here. And then there are also some butterfly closures underneath those antiseptic uh, wipes. Then, in addition, there's a couple of Q-tips. If you want, you can purchase. My suggestion is you can purchase additional Q-tips and place them in there. There's plenty of space. Then there's a pair of plastic disposable. They can be called either way. Disposable gloves, latex gloves. These are also antiseptic wipes. Oh, my mistake. The previous ones are alcohol wipes. So they're a little different. And then there's a whole bunch of band-aids available. The smaller ones inside the pack. Let's see. There's at least 50 of them. I didn't count them up individually. And then there's finally on the bottom, there's let's see, three very big pads, uh, two smaller ones, one bigger one. Yeah. Oh, and then there's a medium size one. There's also some medical tape here, and then the first aid guide. Open it up, then it looks like this. Please read it very carefully, and you will probably be needing them. And then I will be um, talking about some first aid techniques in the future. And here there's a couple of these. So here we are for the unboxing. Uh, let's show the box at the end. Like I suggested, if you would like, please buy some Q-tips. I don't think a couple would be enough, just in case something happens. And also, in addition, they're too small. Um, so that's about it for our unboxing edition. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I will be answering them as usual as soon as possible. And also, I will place the link of this first aid kit underneath, right below, right above the comment section. And those are also available. Those first aid kits are also available in your local Walmart stores. Equate is their kind of like their own brand. They supply it to Walmart, and then Walmart uh, retails sells them. And I mean, the for the first aid kits, you don't have to buy them at Walmart. What I'm showing you here is the most economical version. It is, as you can see, 698, and then plus tax, it would be under $8. Of course, if you buy the medium version, it's going to be slightly under 16, and then the large version, it's going to be under $19 about. For other brands, other name brands like Johnson and Johnson, it would be more expensive, but it won't be that much expensive. I've taken a look at Walmart previously, and they are about for the 85 piece version, they're under $10 before tax. So that's it for now, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and Merry Early Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye.